I've been taking voice and piano lessons with Anneliese for some time now, and I can only highly recommend her as teacher. My main focus is voice, although I greatly appreciate that Anneliese teaches the piano as well, because it gives me the opportunity to learn some easy melodies and some easy chords so I can accompany myself a bit. What I absolutely love is that Anneliese is always willing to record the songs for me we're working on, so I can sing along to her recordings in between our sessions. And she always also sends out notes after each class so I know what to focus on. I also love the variety of songs we've been working on so far, so from classical to modern, so I get to know different styles and know what I enjoy doing, what I'm good at. So what I've gotten out of her sessions is that, first of all, I've gained confidence in singing in front of other people and even in front of bigger groups, which I was really uncomfortable doing beforehand. And it also reinforced my newfound love for playing the piano. And the sessions have shown me that it is possible to start playing the piano even as a mature student, and that one can make progress. So I've really enjoyed all the sessions I've had so far with Anneliese, and I can tell the progress I've made both in my singing and in my piano playing.